Utachapa mkono ama nipete huko?
Uko mbali. Uko mbali. Nilete. Okay.
Tashka hivi. Juzi yangu mkitokelea
No.
Seja, hasta solo la neta. Unajua ni mfupi.
Hivi.
Sasa hii itashikilia
Mkono ya right. Inaweza kusha. Bila simu yangu kuanguka.
bora tu balance.
Haiwezi. Basi na take photo.
Nachukua photo basi itakuwa live. Wana watu wawili wako live already. Wanasikia tukipiga story behind the scenes. Yeah, Kindiki ameitana emergency briefing here at the Harambee Annex. We are not sure of what he is going to address. Hajasema bado. According when he called us here, he said that anakuja ku address matters of public interest. And earlier on, I saw and we saw the Treasury, the Minister of Treasury akitoka hapa, and then he left. That is tulikuwa tushafika, but he was not like seemed concerned about the press, so we don't know if it concerns the Minister of Treasury. We are yet to see and we are yet to hear, so we are waiting for the CS to come out and be able to address us on matters that are at hand. So we hope they are good things. Let's see what he's about to address. So kindly to patient, be patient, stay tuned as we see and hear. I'm going to connect. No, I don't take.
Mtu anadabu. Anataka.
Unajua nasikia baba.
Sikiki.
Careful.
Hivi nianzishe.
Tutaanza ni yangu.
Sasa niende. Alafu niende.
Nitakanuni.
Shuka.
Unaweza take time. So welcome here at the Voice KE. My name is Shadow Collins Songoi, and I'm with my colleague here, who is Naomi Mwende. Naomi Songa hapa mbele. We see you. There she is. So huyo ndiye anaongea behind the camera. So she's Naomi Mende. She is our reporter. We're here waiting to see what is going to unveil here at the office of the president. As you can see, that is the office of the president. We're here to see and hear what the interior CS has to say on matters that he has to address.
At landscape portraits. Landscape.
What was it?
This may start.
Sasa umetoka kwa nini?
Hey, watu tunataka.
Nani ataka ku left? Well, inaonekana kuna kitu hapa. That is the Justin Muturi leaving the office of the Ministry of Interior and Administration. Naomi, shika hapa. Sawa tu. Yes, that is Justin Muturi, the former Speaker of the National Assembly, leaving leaving the office of the Minister of Interior and National Coordination. And I told you earlier, we also saw the Minister of Treasury leaving these particular premises. So we are here to see why the officials of the government are converging here, and we are called for an emergency presser. Hizi KiNDIKI. Sasa tunasema tu. Haki kama ni ndio. Yeah. Tunataka hizi ndio msana. Joki.
Yung maroon and black.
Tangumba. Benar sangat sana. Mtu huyo msichana awezi hata siko najua. Mimi tumekuja tukapewa lift na look up. Kupewa lift wakatuangusha hapa baba. Wanakujaji huko. Bado wameenda kwa baba. You're a celeb. We need selfies. We need a lot of pictures with you. Come, wewe ni celeb wewe. Ujui? Sasa tunasikia. Tulikuwa wapi? Tulikuwa City Hall. Sasa tulikuwa City Hall, nikapewa lift na Luka. So Luka venye amenipea lift, sasa kumbe walikuwa wanakuja hapa wengine. Let me just do this because tulikuwa tunaenda kwa baba actually. Kwa baba. Hata sika baba imeanza. Baba unajua baba anaweza compete.
Mimi actually namhurumia.
Bana nimeona amevadi hata
ya orange. Baba.
Kwanza mimi namfanya
hizo elections zote surely.
Baba akubali kushindwa.
Unaona venye watu wanapenda kwa KiNDIKI. Ile siku ya hii, sisikie ile siku ya hii, sisikie ile siku ya hii, mlikuwa wengi.
Tulikuwa wengi kwa tulikuwa.
Ilikuwa pia. Unajua nini?
Kolega hapa, naweza sikika. Chome hapa. Kama hawa wana
Msikie na wewe.
Ini YT.
Sasa kaga rada mbaya. Sikika mjanga hata imeisha moja.
Ameachwa nje.
Nje.
Mwenye mshikuja naye mahali.
Ule dem bald headed. Amenyoa. Short hair.
Oh, nimekuwa. Siadi yani kwa City Hall. Akona hivi jamba yake.
Nimemwona hapa huyo. Najua naongelea nani. Nimemwona hapa.
Tumemwacha nje, hebu ni kuna nini? Nimesweat. Tishu. Hello, uko wapi? Kuna card, kuna press card.
Naona mtu mchonea live. So earlier on, hata kama baadhi watu wameenda hadi siku hizo, siku hizi naona watu walikuwa wameenda sinema.
Watu wameenda wapi? Leo siku ndo nimepata wote hapa. Kama Janus Jay muone nimemwona.
Hata yule rafiki yetu pale sikuwa nimemuona for a while. Mpaka nilikuwa nimemiss.
Akiwa ni Marxisi anakuwa.
Kama maybe zile vile mtapaga akwaje.
Hata mimi nimekata. Isipokuwa hivyo siku rangi mchana.
Umetoka wapi leo? Umetoka Panama? Au ya nani? Ya Wajir. Wanasema aje?
Hai, iko disoga na hizo event hata sijasikia mara wanaongea.
Wamekasirika.
Nadhani watu wanafight. Kumbe ni kuongea.
Au ndo nakuwa na vurugu za hata tena.
Lakini anakuwa
Anakuwa zile za anakushikia hivi mkio. Sasa unamwangalia. Unajua mimi Monday sikukuja nilikuwa na kazi yenye nilikuwa na niende.
nani alikuongelesha? Niko hata nicho.
Kadri.
Kindiki siweke naye kitu ataongea kwa Facebook. Hayuko lakini hawezi kuwa. Sasa unajua
lakini
how many times do you expect State House functions or State House? Ndio maana hii ni Kindiki hapa tu nje, unaokota tu hizo majani
matawi tu kiamka before ifike chini
mshaiokota
kama kale kwa matawi yakangekuwa
mnatafuta mimi
shuka tu kwa miti tu before ishuke chini.
Mshaanza kuona mahali mnaweza chuna. Okay. Umeona nani ametoka? AG na nani? Na pia nani wa Treasury. Treasury. Hata Njuguna ya. Njuguna ametoka pia hapa. Njuguna ametoka na nani ametoka? Muturi. Hey. What's up? 15 billion. Just text somebody. Yeah, those are the kind of messages I want. Hapana. So before na during Uhuru when you were in office, the CEOs were Treasury alikuwa na text the madam who was the budget controller and text to it's a state that is in public. So they used to text and then share 15 billion to approve 15 billion through a WhatsApp message. Like I need you to approve 3 billion, I need you to approve 7 billion. You know, such huge amounts of money, you need to go through parliament, you need to go through the proper channels in order for the money to be approved. So the moment you just approve them through WhatsApp, now that becomes approved. So yeah, basically, so those who are viewing me would like to know. So we saw the Minister of Treasury, Njuguna, getting out of the office of the president here, office of the Ministry of Interior and National Administration. We also saw the Attorney General, who is Justin Mutulu, leaving this same office about less than 20 minutes ago, actually even less than 5 minutes ago. So we are wondering what is going on because there is an emergency press briefing. So we are here to see. For the meantime, I would like for you to please changia, contribute. Ngeni hapo kwa comment, niambieni what do you think about these transactions za WhatsApp over 15 billion money. Tumeona juzi also the Minister of Treasury alitransfer almost 1.something billion to the office of the Deputy President. Immediately Gachagua got into office, they ordered about 1.something billion to buy cars and everything. So talk to me, what do you think? Is Ministry of Treasury a scam? Yeah? Is it a scam? Talk to me. Iko pale kwa bag ya press.
Kapi bag yako.
Iko pale, nataka kuvaa.
Ati nataka kuvaa.
Hapo nataka kushtua hapo. Mpe maji. Ama ni nini? Mtaka juice. Njoki, lakini Njoki mapotelea wapi?
Hii wiki Monday nilienda shule kuchukua certificate yangu. Nilishinda huko na kuambia nimeudhika. Alafu jana nikalala. Leo ni when?
Ulienda? Ulienda.
Monday Tuesday nikaenda story fulani safari park. Jana nilikuwa nikachoka nikalala.
Niko tu hivyo. Tumekuwa na mdosi wenu jana.
Wapi?
Mkubwa wake yeye yule jamaa kitambo.
Anakaaje?
Hizo hivi tulikuwa naye anajua venye anaitwa.
Gani?
Women's Day.
Wapi? Oh, PSG.
Eh.
Na Kip. Kip bana.
Kanakaa tu, as you know what I'm saying.
Lakini akai
Eh. Hata tulipatana nako hapo Lu.
Chumi yao wakiwa na mtu mwingine kisi. Keep.
Kip Simba. Lakini
Ikae stable. Ndio maana nakwambia shikia hapo. Kwa shikia hapo usikitika. Yeah, thank you. So, I'm not pausing it. We're still waiting for the Minister of Interior and National Administration to come out and tell us what is happening. Right now it's a tense moment because this place was supposed to start about an hour ago, but it has not yet started. So we're wondering what is going on and what is happening in those particular offices. We saw the Minister of Treasury, CS Njuguna, going out of this particular same office. And we also saw like 10 minutes ago, we also saw the Attorney General, Justin Muturi, also coming out of this particular office. So we're wondering what is going on. And it seems like it's a tense moment as we wait and see what is about to unveil, what is the minister about to address. I understand that the bandits issue is a big issue that has been happening, that has been going around. At the Ministry of Education said they are going to announce it. They are thinking of announcing it as an emergency situation in the country. So we are just speculating. We are not sure of what is about to be announced. As I told you, according to the invite to this particular area, it says that to this particular office, it says that it's a matter of public interest. They didn't specify what they are going to talk about. They just said it's a matter of public interest. We saw the Minister of Treasury, that is CS Njuguna, getting out of this office. That is about more than 30 minutes ago. And then in a while, like a few minutes ago, 10 minutes ago, we saw the the Attorney General Justin Muturi getting out of this same office. So we need to see. Let's see and hear what they are about to address. On the moment, you can just be commenting, talk to us about the issue about the 15 billion that were transacted through WhatsApp. Those are the kind of messages that I want to see. Those are the kind of messages that I want to see from my friends. If you're my friend, make sure you are talking about 15 billion and more through WhatsApp messages. Yeah. You also so Gashago immediately got into office. He asked for about 1 point something billion to buy cars and other commodities for his office. So yeah, there is a huge smuggling of money in this government. So let's hear and see. Remember, at the same time, we also have another press that is going on at Jaramogi Odinga Upper Hill, that is to be addressed by the opposition leader, who is Raila Amolo Odinga. So they are happening concurrently. Yes, I may not be able to take you live, but it's important for you to know that Raila Amolo Odinga is addressing another presser at the Jaramogi Odinga house that is in Upper Hill. So we are waiting to see and hear and understand what these particular places they are about, but this one is the one that was able to take you live. So let's hear and see. Yeah, keep chatting, keep talking. Let's discuss the 15 billion that was ordered through WhatsApp. Let's discuss the 1.5 billion that was ordered by the deputy governor, by the deputy president a while back. Yeah. So as you can see, this is office of the president. So yeah, so that's about it. Please continue liking this video, continue sharing, tell people KiNDIKI is about to address the nation. Tell them people, tell your friends, share. sawa.
Na wewe?
Okay.
Nimesahau.
Umesikia hii vile nimeipata? Unakupatia bibi.
Lakini unajua mimi leo tunakuwa na bahati tu.
Ati na kiwaji nimepata tu gari. Mimi hata tunaenda hapo. Nilikuwa naenda hapo.
Ina nafasi.
Hapo mimi nashikilia kitu. Nataka kufinsi mtu anapimeji aje kitu.
Inakaa poa. Inakaa poa, iko clear.
Hi.
I just want to know why you have a tumbo cut.
No, it's not a tumbo cut.
You know, we could see your outfit from up there. And it's tumbo cut. So it's because of a picture Which video house?
It's from Ghetto FM. Ghetto FM. Nikupe sis, niko na hood. Are you decently dressed? So, hey, my reporter here, who is Naomi, has just been he's just been called out for improper dressing. Naomi, si tunaisha umevaa aje? Tokea pale mbele. Naomi, are you improperly dressed? Are you? You are not. You are properly dressed. Rubber shoes. Is this a tumbo cut? You're saying it's a tumbo cut. The poster is the one that was bad. So yeah, so she has just been called out for improper dressing. So yeah. They are saying that walikuwa nakuonea wapi?
It's from above.
From above ni wapi? Ni huko juu. Huko juu kabisa. Sio mwenda ni. Mimi nakuona aje?
I wonder. Unaona tumbo cut?
Eh?
Nionyesha.
Hii si tumbo cut. Not the audience tuambie is that a tumbo cut? That's not a tumbo cut. I don't know. Ama ukiinua mkono inapanda juu. Ukiinua labda mkono zinge inaonekana. That's not a tumbo cut. Umepiga dumbo tu. Yeah, so Naomi is so I understand that. So you're going to talk to her about it after this. So she said she's improperly dressed. Journalist, kizu mnavaa venye mnataka.
Stop.
You are wearing the way you want these days. Yeah? Yeah.
Focus on the main job.
Yeah, so you need to find something. Why don't you might seduce the CS. Yeah, Naomi unasalimiwa na mtaitwa Shadrack Motua. Thank you so much. Yeah. So yeah, she's a threat. Yeah, Naomi unasalimiwa. Mwambie kitu, mwambie hi. Yeah, so yeah. We are waiting. The proper dress. Yeah, so you need to work on your outfit. Kuna mtu anasema ulete namba. Anaitwa Yusuf. Anasema Yusuf. So YouTube anasema ati umpatie namba. Are you in hapo, Naomi? You're my reporter. Why you are being afraid of the camera because you have been told you're improperly dressed? Yeah, she's now becoming. Yeah, so Jeff saw what is happening here. So the CS, is the Ministry of Interior and National Coordination, just called for a presser. He said that he has a matter of public interest that he needs to address, and that's why we are here. So this particular afternoon. So it is an emergency presser. Earlier on, we saw the CS for Treasury, Bwana Njuguna, coming out of this particular office. About that is about 30 minutes ago. Yeah, so and then now we had another one. We saw the Attorney General also coming out of this same office about now 10 minutes ago. He was here, he came out and then he left. So we are here to see. What is going to happen. Yeah, super babas, nipe hii mrembo. Hii mrembo utakuwa unaiona hapa. So she's our new reporter on this particular channel. If you have been following up on this channel, I've had different ladies on this channel who are reporting. So now she's a new one. She's new. So mweleweni, she's new to this industry. We are in the process of training her, understanding how the wind industry works. So understand her. Yeah. Exactly. So you can see more people coming in. Yeah, I told you that we saw some people getting out of the office. Who is AG? Justin Muturi. Now we have see some officers coming in. Yes. So let's see who is coming in right now. Yeah. Those are some officers. They just came in. CS amefika, ako ndani ya ofisi, so ndio anakuambia like you are seeing. Tumeona CS Njuguna wa Treasury akitoka, tukaona AG Attorney General akitoka pia, Justin Muturi. Yes.
Can I go with you?
You can try. Naomi is still stressed about the woman, so yeah. So kuna bahati sana. So tafuta kitu. I wish I had a hood.
Ngapi yako ya press? Ile koti ya press?
Kwa pale ndio uchukue.
Nikachukue
Ile
sio?
uchukue koti ya press. So ndio uchukue pale. So
Ndio.
we need to find a solution for Naomi. Ndio uchukue koti. Ungekuwa ushafika. Ndio uchukue hapo ndani. Naomi now has a solution. Navaa nguo ya press sasa. Songa hapo tukuone sasa. Amnaona umechange.
Nimechange.
Geuka.
Haya, tulikuwa tuna nini?
Basi kwa sawa basi.
Tulikuwa tumefika.
Yeah, since 1:30 to now. And it was supposed to start at 1, so I started 30 minutes later. So, yeah. More than 1 hour waiting for the CS to come and address the nation. Tena kutumia link.
Tuna WhatsApp.
Kuna hata walipotea tena. I can wait at now. I need to see. Yeah, so what is going on here is that KiNDIKI is about to address the nation. Yeah, so he called for an emergency presser about 2 hours ago. Tukaona CS Njuguna wa Treasury akitoka hapa. Then tukaona the AG Attorney General Justin Muturi akitoka pia hapa. And then a few minutes ago tumeona nadhani wameingia wanajeshi, wameingia kadhaa wa kadhaa. So we are not told what is about to be addressed. We are just told that is a matter of public interest. Remember, this is happening concurrently as Raila Amolo Odinga is also addressing a presser at Upper Hill. I think it's Jaramogi Odinga office or something. So he's also addressing the public from there. So we are here to see what is good is about to unveil. Yeah. Watu wanakimbia.
Tumeanza tena. Kiara imetokea wapi? Kiara imetokea wapi? Online, it's online effect with what you space, you what. No, just a thought. Money can list it.
Then first tuna schedule for later huko kuweka anything. Hizi mwezi ya tatu. Next time. Kama vile alikomentia kwa video ndio kutafuta sasa. Able to connect. Is it because of data or not? See data. Nini?
Like 2 hours now. Unajua hata tungetaka kwenda kuangalia tungena turudi.
Unable to connect at this moment. Shida ya network ya bundles. Bundles. Wale kupanga.
Na press. So nataka kuweka hapa as we wait. Kishaenda.
Ushamaliza? Thank you. Kuna drama.
Kuna drama. Sasa hata ndio na address pale. Okay, we can see through the tunaweza ona through the kioo, so tunaona pale ndani there are a lot of conversations that are going on, people coming in, people going out, so there is a tense moment, so tunangoja tuone nini inaendelea. Amepiga huko kwa mabadets. Nakuweka kumanage nini?
Kwani unaambia mambo ya Raila? Unaambia mambo ya Raila?
No, Raila is also conducting another place uko hapa hivi. Yeah, concurrent. Siko na lengo. Copy tu link and share. Kuna kitu
Na video yenye tulishoot KNT. Ile ya ule demu na gadamezi ilienda. Uongo kolo, sikuwa serious, ilipotea. Akipoloshwa. Ilienda.
Naomi. Yes, ndio hiyo sasa, shika hapa.
I would like to apologize for the very unfortunate delay. This press conference which has been occasioned by an emergency situation that we were dealing with. Going forward, we will make sure when we call you and make sure we call you when really there is nothing in between the time you come and when we talk to you. So maybe the next problem will be the notice will be too short. Otherwise, we called you a little earlier, but then something came up which required physical urgent attention personally. And thank you for coming. It's always a pleasure to host you at Harambee House. On 15th of February this year, at about 9 p.m., I received media reports and inquiries at the home of the immediate former Minister for Interior, Dr. Fred Matiang'i, had been cordoned off and had been invaded by dozens of police officers. I immediately sought oral and written assurances from the Inspector General of the National Police Service, the service commanders of various formed units within the National Police Service, the Directorate of Criminal Investigations, DCI, the Kenya Revenue Authority, KRA, the Anti-Corruption Commission, EACC, and all conceivable government agencies that could have a basis of apprehending any person in the event of commission of crimes. I released a statement the following morning from Harambee in Baringo County, denying the allegations and affirming that our country's security agencies remain neutral, apolitical, and focused on addressing the security challenges that our country are facing. I did, in that statement, affirm that the security agencies are not available for any political or extraneous duty in favor or against any political formation. I advised anyone with information relating to the alleged incident at Dr. Matiang'i's home the previous night to file a formal complaint at the nearest police station for investigations and appropriate action. Considering that the allegations had accused the National Police Service, the Directorate of Criminal Investigations sought particulars of the alleged attack and the evidence thereof, which particulars were never provided by those who made the allegations. Consequently, the DCI had to move to court and indeed obtained a court order to allow them to establish the veracity of these claims and take disciplinary action if at all any police officer could have invaded the privacy of Dr. Matiang'i's home with the intentions of harassing him, intimidating him, or arresting him outside the legally prescribed procedures. Meanwhile, the former cabinet secretary, through his lawyers, had moved to court and obtained anticipatory bail, preventing the police from arresting him, which court order the National Police Service have obeyed until today. After concluding their investigations and analyzing the available evidence, the DCI invited Dr. Matiang'i to tell his side of the story by way of recording a statement as a matter of due process and procedure. I confirmed to the country that the entire investigation process in this matter has been carried out with utmost professionalism, dispassionately, and in a manner that reflects the policy guidelines of this administration of handling criminal investigations and how suspects of crime should be treated by the police. The former minister was formally invited to record his statement on a particular day, which turned out to be inconvenient to him since he claimed to have traveled. Subsequently, he was asked to indicate another day and time upon his arrival when he would be available. Eventually, he appeared at the DCI headquarters along Kiambu Road on Monday, the 6th of March, 2023, which was a day and time of his choice and convenience. Fellow Kenyans, this is a major departure from how the police have treated suspects of crime under the previous administration, especially if these suspects were politically exposed persons. Such suspects would be apprehended at night, inhumanly mishandled in the presence of family members and guests, and treated with high grammar. It is the policy of this administration to treat all suspects of crime with dignity and handle them with respect to their fundamental rights and freedoms as guaranteed by the Constitution of our country. Unless one has committed a cognizable offense of serious gravity, or the suspect poses a serious immediate risk to both the public and the officers arresting that person, night raids, inhumane treatment, and dramatization of arrests are not part of the policy of this administration's criminal justice system. Violation of this policy guidelines by any security officer will attract punitive actions against any culpable officer who tries to excessively dramatize ordinary arrests of crimes that do not pose immediate and grave risks on the officers or the members of the public, invading people's homes in the wee hours of the night, and excessive dramatization and politicization of the criminal justice system. Any officer engaged in those kind of theatrics will be dealt with and attract disciplinary measures. Additionally, we are developing guidelines to improve on the speed of recording statements to ensure that suspects are not only treated humanely and respectfully, but they are also served expeditiously. Going forward, these guidelines will form part of the service charter for all security agencies charged with investigating crime and the processing of suspects for arraignment. These standards shall apply to all persons under investigation, regardless of their rank and standing in the society, on the basis of equality guaranteed in the Bill of Rights in our Constitution. Further, the government policy will entail the absolute respect for the rule of law, regard for all constitutional organs, and respect for all independent offices of our country. Therefore, while I commend the professionalism of the police, and in particular, in this case, the DCI in handling of Dr. Matiang'i's matter, I undertake on behalf of government, the government shall respect the decisions arrived at by the DCI. I am informed the DCI, having completed their investigations, have made their recommendations to the Director of Public Prosecutions. The government will equally respect the decisional independence of the DPP, and should any person be prosecuted as a result of these investigations, the government shall respect the outcome and decision of the courts. On the day Dr. Matiang'i was appearing before the DCI, a regrettable incident happened at the DCI headquarters along Kiambu Road. The drama by rowdy people who claimed to be his supporters converged at this security facility and caused a commotion. Some politicians, ostensibly going to provide political solidarity to Dr. Matiang'i, caused disturbances, including threats to mobilize people to forcibly access the DCI headquarters. There is no greater demonstration of impunity than this. The DCI headquarters, police stations, and all other security establishments and facilities must be respected by all persons, including politicians, their supporters, and sympathizers of suspects. I direct all security agencies to ensure that our security facilities remain protected areas and should not be allowed to become a theater for politics or rowdy and unlawful behavior, including unauthorized access. Going forward, any person, regardless of their rank in society, who even attempts to threaten to forcibly access security facilities or intimidate officers on duty will be dealt with firmly, ruthlessly, and decisively in accordance with the law. I repeat, going forward, any person, regardless of their rank in society, who even attempts to illegally, unlawfully, and in an unauthorized manner access a security establishment in any security facility, that person will be dealt with ruthlessly, firmly, and decisively. It doesn't matter who they are, it doesn't matter their political affiliation. The respect for the rule of law, the respect also for constitutional organs, independent offices, and the protection of our security facilities from political and other extraneous interferences apply to all without exception and without regard to political affiliation. I thank you. I will not be taking any questions, but I may wish to add that, as you are aware, 20 days ago, we commenced a security operation in certain parts of 6 counties. Those parts in those counties are were identified through a Gazette procedure, Kenya Gazette procedure, determined as disturbed and dangerous areas. That operation, which was declared and initiated in Section 241(3)(b) of the Constitution, is a joint operation between the National Police Service, the Kenya Defence Forces, led by the National Police Service with the assistance of KDF. That operation also is pursuant to Section 31, 33, and 34 of the Kenya Defence Forces Act, Section 8 of the Public Order Act, Section 106 of the National Police Service Act, Cap 11A. It has been 20 days now. I can confirm we have made the deployment. We have assessed the nature of the security threats. We have made some progress with regard to some of the measures that have already been pronounced. Up to now, we have received about 140 plus weapons of various types. The amnesty which have been given for 3 days lapsed and will not be extended. I can confirm to the country that we will get to the root of this problem of heartless murders by bloodthirsty terrorists posing as cattle thieves. I can also confirm the operation will succeed. I can also confirm that all the illegal weapons which are in the hands of criminals will be recovered. The government will recover all the illegal weapons that are in the hands of criminals. We have, on the basis of the experience of the last 20 days, we have established what needs to be done. Some of the things that needs to be done will be done the same way, others will be done differently. We have witnessed continued theatrics, antics, and maneuvers by criminals who continue to exhibit high levels of impunity. And therefore, tomorrow, we will be announcing new measures in the affected areas. Which new measures will entail phase 2 of this operation, and which new measures are going to turn around that operation to make sure to stamp out the impunity of criminals, the cheap antics, theatrics, and maneuvers that these criminals continue to depict simply because they have done it before and succeeded. I want to assure the people of Kenya, this administration will permanently end this problem. We will liberate the North from the hands of criminals. So tomorrow, we will be speaking from the combat zone, and we will say, what next? We may be making certain pronouncements in the public interest so that we continue carrying the goodwill and the support of all peace-loving, law-abiding people of Kenya, whom we require their solidarity as we exterminate this cancer that has taken a lot of our national time. I thank you, and I wish you a good afternoon. I apologize for the lateness, and we will be speaking from location tomorrow. Thank you and God bless you.